Oliver from Great Britain.
I'm wondering if we can just throw it a shot tonight.
Iris from Germany.
Yeah, I bet you we could do that. Right? Yep. Yeah. It's up to you, Big Dave. Are we gonna get that handled? Huh? Well, that's got the spring underneath it, right? Let's just get this handled, right?
Well, back in our pits area, 5:39, we can see James Taylor here from the i.s.d.e Motorcycle Club, proud to be Australian, and brings his guest into the pits, working here on the bike, and all the work he needs to do. Looks like there may be a tyre change by the look of the fresh property on the rear. So well done, James. Hopefully you'll stay focused as the week. 535, Marco from the Netherlands. Yes, Dutch riders today with their fabulous orange shirts, riding on the back the big bold names, making it the commentators' dream to pick up where they were out here compared to some just the small riding. So even in the dumps and sun and glare and winter, we could still pick up the dump team today. Thank you for those big bright leaders and names on the back of their shirts. It's very easy to see who they were and from what country. Now that's for Australia in the sense
Stand up here, big boy.
To pick up their performances. Here we go, 530 Allison from Canada. Alan Lachapelle, the 5-3, I think might go to 5:41 now. Paul Hurst from Great Britain, the R18.
Oh, that's okay.
538 will be next, Carlos Angel. Carlos from Mexico, another member of the Monterrey team.
On this side, just slow it down.
539, James Taylor, Australia.
You know what, dude? I've had those tires in the sun. Man, it's not good. It's loose wheel roads. I'm good doing that. That's why this thing's just good water. Thanks. Take your time. And then just lay back and
Well, 459 and Paul Kingston, back a little bit by his own admission on here, 5-1 last 4-3 from Australia.